Hi everyone, I'm Phyllis Leverage. I'll be your instructor this semester for online art appreciation. This course is designed to introduce you to the world of art in all of its forms and to help you gain an appreciation for the art that you see. Maybe you're wondering why you even have to take this class. You're probably saying to yourself, I can't even draw. But let me reassure you that you don't need to be able to draw to look at, enjoy, and appreciate art. You don't even have to be able to draw to engage in the creative process. Throughout the course, we'll be looking at all different kinds of art from all different cultural and historical backgrounds. We'll learn how to interpret and discuss art using proper terminology. We'll learn about the elements and principles of design, and we'll learn about a range of art media and processes that are used to actually create art. In addition to that, we will learn about the impact that art has on culture and society. You'll even have an opportunity to engage in the creative process yourself, but no drawing. Well, actually a little bit of drawing, but you can do it. So what I'd like you to do now is take a look at the folders that are below on this screen. There's some important information in there, including your syllabus, your materials list, course schedule, and more. Please go through that material very thoroughly. Let me know if you have any questions. And when you're finished with that, you can proceed to clicking on the weekly folders link, which is in the column on the left-hand side up near the top, just underneath Start Here. When you click on that, it'll take you to week 1, and you can go ahead and start the course. So I do hope you enjoy taking this course as much as I enjoy teaching it. I look forward to working with each of you this semester, and I will see you in week 1.